for aspartic acid, the formula is aspartic acid Then, ano mga nakalagay sa aspartic acid? Yung pKa1
Service tayo pa si Cuba.
ano yun? 5197 yung 2.34 tignan ko nga ito ko yung messenger na yung 2.34 divided by 2 ayun nga 0.5 buti pa siya nagpapala ng discount matindi na 9.6 5.97 yun ang kanyang isoelectric pH. So ito yung aspartic acid structure niya kapag nilagay siya sa HCl. So lahat ng mga tubig sa carbonated. Sabi dito sa table, the alpha carboxylic acid, ito yung alpha carbon, this is the alpha carboxylic acid. This is the alpha amino group. Ito yung alpha carbon, ito yung alpha COOH, ito yung alpha amino. Tingnan nyo, alpha COOH is 2.09. pKa is 2.09. And then the alpha amino group is 9.8. pKa is 9.8. Then the R group 3.86. pKa is 3.86. Okay. So let's try to find out what is the tingnan natin kung ano ang kanyang isoelectric. So, ilalagay natin sa table siya. Table natin siya. Then you will get the pH. And then, let's say, with the alpha carboxylic acid, pKa 2.09. Tapos, this is alpha amino group, which is 9.82. And then you have COOH which is 3.86. So, because the pH that we're going to choose are the pH that correspond to the pKa. So, una natin, pH 2.09. At pH 2.09, half of the COOH is dissociated. So, charge is 6.5. pH 2.09, this is very basic compared to 2.09. Plus 1. Kasi meron yan na para charge ng plus 1. At pH 2.09, 3.86 is more than one pH unit away from 2.09. So this is 0. 0 at charge. Kasi it's more than one pH unit. Charge. We can actually compute for the actual charge. Pero pag gano'n, ina-assume na lang natin na that is equivalent to 0. But we can compute if you want it, you can compute. So halimbawa, 3.86 pH is 2.09. The pKa is 3.86. So let's see. pH minus pKa equals the logarithm of COO minus over COOH. If the pH is 2.09, pKa is 3.86. That's equivalent to about, hindi natin kung gaano pa kasi charge. 2.09 minus 3.86 is about minus 1.77 equals the logarithm of COO minus over COOH. Get the antilope of that, get the antilope. this. So shift load equals 0.01698 equals COO minus over COOH. Pag nilagay mo yung 1 doon, tinutan mo, that is 1.01698. So what is the percentage of this? Percentage is 0.01698 divided by 1.01698 times 100. It's about 1.67%. And then the other one is 1 divided by 1.01698. It's times 100. It's about 98.32. So predominantly, it's a COOH. Predominantly, it's 98.33% COOH. So since COOH is 0, the charge of that is 0. So when the difference between the pKa and the pH is about 1, you assume that one of the forms predominate. Let's say for example, lagay natin ay 3.86. So at 3.86, this is basic compared to 2.09. So this is minus 1. Totally dissociated. Minus 1. This one is still plus 1. And then this one is minus 0.5. Kasi half of this, pareho sila, half of that is dissociated. Now for 9.82, pH 9.82, this is totally dissociated minus 1. This one is half of this is dissociated, so it's plus 0.5. And this one, all of this is dissociated, so it's minus 1. So when you get the sum, that's minus 1 plus minus 0.5, that is plus 0.5. Plus 1 minus 1, 0 is minus 0.5. This one is minus 1 minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1.1. So you get the two pHs, wherein in the middle of that, there is a 0. So itong dalawang pH na to, in the middle of that, there is a 0 there. So in the computation of the isoelectric pH, that would be 2.09 plus 3.86 divided by 2. Hindi itong dalawang ito. Itong dalawang ito ang yeah, because in the middle of this, kasi ang charge nito at 2.09 is plus 0.5. At 3.86 is minus 0.5. So itong dalawa ang average in order to get an isoelectric. So that will be 2.09 plus 3.86 divided by 2. So 2.97 Okay? And then, halimbawa naman, ginakuha mo na yung PI for the, the PI of this is 2.975. If, for example, if the pH of the solution is 1.0, what is the charge? Itong dalawang ito. Kasi, in the middle of these two, pag tinignan mo plus 0.5, minus 0.5, di ba, dun sa Cartesian coordinated, is 0. So, meron siya ba minus 0.5, minus 0.5, bilang plus 0.5. This is minus 1, this is plus 1. So, in the middle of these two, meron 0 doon. This actually corresponds to the charge. Ito, this corresponds to the pH. So, it means that in the middle of these two pH, meron 0 charge. So, i-average mo yung dalawang pH para when you do that, you're going to get 0 charge. And, titignan naman natin, if dito, hindi na, we're looking not at the ionizable group, but we're looking at the amino acid. No, we're looking at the amino acid. If the pH is 1 and the PI of the amino acid is 2.975, what is the charge of the amino acid? If the pH is lower or more acidic than the PI, the charge is positive. Hindi na kailangan kung ano yung magnitude ng charge, kasi it's positive. If for example at pH 5, what is the charge of the amino acid? Since 5 is more basic compared to the PI PI is 2.975. Time is more basic than that. Therefore, the charge is minus. If the pH is 2.975, it's the same as the charge. The PI is the same as the pH is the same as the PI. Then the charge is 0. When the PI is the same as the pH, the charge is 0. When the pH is more basic compared to the PI, the charge is negative. When the pH is more acidic compared to the PI, the charge of the amino acid is positive. Okay? So this is how you calculate for the PI of the acid. Okay. So punta naman tayo sa